gold against US dollar yesterday has created a bullish candle where we can see that the price continued this movement that has started at the start of the week on Tuesday, and then we can see that the price closed this candle with a bullish candle body with a large wick on the upper side where the price has tried to reach the 0.94 resistance level, and it has come very close to this area, which is the start of this supply zone where the sellers are located. During the day, we can see after that the price has bounced back down and continued currently this day has started with this bullish movement where the price started here and currently it is right here at this price level. Now yesterday, if you have watched the analysis, I have mentioned the area around 2372 and also 2375, which were reached yesterday, which means the prediction from the yesterday was correct, but the price has also moved even higher and started and reached this area, which is 2386.17. Now there are levels that needed to be broken on the yesterday. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame and 1 minute time frame, where we can see these price levels were very critical, 2367 and also then 2376, where the price has moved and reached higher price levels. Then the price has returned back down, where we can see that currently the price is trying to move again up. Now what can we expect? Currently, what I can see, this is currently movement out of the bulls, and it seems that there is a high probability that the price will continue to rise in value, and 2390.94 is the next target where we can see this is the resistance where the price is heading. Now, first of all, I think the price will try to reach again the start of this supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also these bulls who have pushed the price higher, they will try to exit their trades at this right level. Like it has happened yesterday with this candle where this wick has been created. Now on the lower side, I do not see any bearish movements that could push the price even more down, because the price would need to go to below 2356.69, which is a support level, a very important one, and currently there are no signs, because we can see that yesterday there were also no bearish strength, where there is no larger wick on the lower side, which means the bulls are much stronger than the sellers are currently. So for any movement, for any kind of breakout that could happen, and also when it is the best time to enter into the market, when it is to open a buy order, because the price is reaching these very critical important resistance levels, where the price currently is 2376.75, and below that it is very important support at 2367.71. This is something that I will share inside the Telegram group with the traders, where I am sharing the details when the breakout happens, like yesterday here, and also where is the target, for example, right here. So when it is the good time and also when it's not very good time, because of this some kind of a movement on the sideways where there is a high volatility that the price cannot find its very clear way. Now we currently have here, we can see that it is a gap, so we'll see what happens during the day. I will also cover this topic during the daily analysis inside the Telegram group, so the link will be below in the description. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.